period.
I really don't.
Hey, which one did you put on?
What are you doing?
Hi, Pat. Hi.
What's up?
Today has been like the funniest day.
Okay,
What is this thing?
10, 20 seconds. Come on, just wait a minute.
So the camera's counting down.
I heard Miss Moore.
No, I thought the stuff in third period was funny.
Yeah, he's like, I'm an expert.
Hey, take a picture of this so Pat can see it.
I said I'm recording. This is going on the internet. Okay, this is apparently what we do during class.
Welcome to fourth period.
Well, I'll take a picture of it if he wants.
Yes,
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it looks so good.
Don't move. You have to stay still.